will show you the TSJ39 automatic cutting machine to cut the OAK wood to see what it happened. Okay, now we start to open the computers. And then you press the English. Go to English menu. We just cutting the one size. The number one size 100 here can light 150 millimeter. And you cutting the 4 pieces in this time, or 5 pieces. And then this only cut the number one size. Okay, now start to cutting. Now we press that. The saw blade is running. And then we press it again to make automatic running. After it's automatic the edge here, all edge here is very smoothly. The corner is very smoothly. And then we make the 4 corners go together to see how is this. Sorry. Okay, this is the corner. Each corner can cut in well and no space. See here. And this is the top side. All okay. And also the corner here. Okay, this is the TSJ39 automatic cutting machine.